The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI, unleash the power of petaFLOP scale AI on your very desktop. Imagine having a supercomputer that fits in your office without breaking the bank. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is here to revolutionize your workflow and unlock local AI breakthroughs with unparalleled performance and ingenuity. This AI powerhouse is powered by NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip, delivering an astonishing 1 petaFLOP of AI performance. That means you can crunch complex datasets faster than ever before, making it perfect for developers, AI researchers, and data scientists who need to tackle the toughest challenges. But what does this mean in practical terms? Simply put, it means that your AI models will be able to learn and adapt at an unprecedented rate, enabling you to make more accurate predictions, identify patterns, and drive innovation like never before. And with 128 gigabytes of memory for fine-tuning, you can train even the most complex models without worrying about running out of space. One of the standout features of the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is its developer-optimized platform. This means that it's been designed specifically for AI developers who need to build secure, long-running agentic workflows. It supports popular frameworks like OpenClaw and NemoClaw, allowing you to work seamlessly across different tools and platforms. But what does private on-device inference mean? In simple terms, it means that your AI models can process data locally without sending it to the cloud. This not only saves time but also ensures that sensitive information remains confidential. With the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI, you can keep your data safe and secure, while still leveraging the power of AI. Another key feature is its advanced thermal design. This ensures sustained high performance and reliability in an ultra-small form factor. That means you can use this supercomputer in even the most cramped spaces without worrying about it overheating or slowing down. The NVIDIA NVLink C2C technology also allows for ultra-fast CPU-GPU memory communication, while the ConnectX 7 networking enables dual DGX10 system stacking, unlocking superior scalability and performance. This means that you can scale your AI workloads up to meet even the most demanding needs without sacrificing speed or reliability. But what's truly exciting about the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is its full-stack AI solution. This comprehensive platform provides everything you need to develop and deploy AI models, from training to deployment. You get access to a vast library of pre-trained models, as well as cutting-edge tools for data preparation, model evaluation, and more. In short, this is not just an AI supercomputer, it's a game-changer. With its unparalleled performance, scalability, and security features, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is poised to revolutionize the way you work with AI. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to unlock the full potential of your desktop supercomputer. The NVIDIA GB10 Superchip is here to unleash petaFLOP scale AI on your very desktop.